How did I do, guys? How did I do? Yeah, how did I do, guys? And hey, baby! I have been looking forward to this moment for the longest time. Oh yeah! Hey, my love! Your first vacation! So today is all about family, laughter, and making memories we will never forget. I'm so happy, excited that you're here. So let's go! Let's do it! Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, guys. I'm very excited. So we are on our first family vacation, guys. I'm so excited with our baby. Come here, baby. Come here, my love. So guys, we haven't been on vacation since she was born because we've been trying to stay home, you know, take good care of her, and plus it's not easy to travel with a newborn. So we are on our first vacation. Yay! So guys, we have packed a lot of bags. Let me show you guys the bag that we packed, because we're gonna be on vacation for about like 7 days or more, and it's gonna be road trip, so we're gonna be driving. Yeah, we're gonna be driving. So here's the bags that we have. What's up? So here's our bags. Which one is it? 520. Okay. Okay, yeah, guys. So here's our hotel. Hey, babe.
Fall off the.
This mirror is so cute, and here's the closet. So just putting everything in there, and so we had a 2 twins. So we had a 2 beds. And hey, baby. Hey, hey. And yep. And here's the TV. Florence, welcome, Florence. Coffee stuff. It's a lot of mirror. I love it. So yeah. And here's my makeup. And yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, my love. Your first vacation. Yeah. Here, baby. I give them 10 out of 10. Yeah.
This is not
10 out of 10.
This is not 10 out of 10.
What is it? What would you give them?
This hotel is not 10 out of 10.
What is it then?
It's nice. It's good enough. There's
Come here,
nothing
baby.
wrong with it.
Then what would you give them? A?
No, 7.
Whatever.
You don't know what a real hotel is, then.
But this is so nice.
It's not a 10 out of 10.
I love you too. To my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and share. And say hey, baby. Say yay. Okay, so yeah, guys. So we are in Houston. We drove here yesterday, and I went to my friend's bachelorette party. Baby, is it bachelorette party?
Bachelorette.
Bachelorette. You guys know English is my second language, so I'll be struggling, but someone here got my back. What? Yeah. Because he's always messing up with me. But are you excited for this vacation?
Yeah.
What are you excited about?
The ocean.
The ocean?
What do you want to do on the ocean?
Swim.
Yeah, so guys, we're gonna go to the ocean as well. So yesterday I went to my friend's bachelorette party. Let me show you guys. Here's just a little clip how it was. So let me show you guys. He's the bride. Oh, oh my goodness, the view is so nice.
I'm telling. That's it. I'm telling. Y'all be careful.
And yes, the bride, she looked amazing, and we had to dress like cowboys, cowgirls. What is the opposite of cowboys? Cowgirls, I guess. Yeah. For video.
Right now?
Yeah, he is.
He looks miserable. Why don't you smile or something?
You know, he's miserable. He's mad because he's lost his money.
I lost my money 5 times worse.
You know what? What's gonna cheer you up? Here. Oh yeah.
Come here,
baby.
These can't be good still.
Come here.
It's still good.
No, I don't trust
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
you.
Yeah, guys. So right now we are about to get ready for the wedding. So it's my friend's wedding. We're gonna go to her wedding today, and tomorrow we're gonna go to where, babe?
New Orleans.
New Orleans. That's in Louisiana, right?
Yeah.
And so Michael's gonna show us the city. We're gonna explore the city and everything. So we're gonna be there for the whole day and the whole night. So, and I'm gonna show y'all guys. That's gonna be part 2. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys part 2. And then after that, we're gonna go to the beach. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go to the beach, which is what he's exciting about the most, and me too, I am. So guys, let me show you guys our outfit, and we're gonna get ready. So I'm gonna show you guys our full outfit. Of course, I'm gonna do my makeup because I'm gonna look pretty, right? I have to look pretty. Isn't that right?
Yeah, but you already look pretty.
Oh, thank you. So guys, let me show you guys our outfit. Me and Anna, actually we all gonna match. Yeah, it's gonna be the cutest. It's gonna be the
Did
cutest.
you know that we're all matching pretty much?
Did you do that on
Come
purpose?
here, come here.
Did you do that on purpose?
Yes, we're all
Yeah,
matching
guys, I did on purpose. We all gonna match. Yeah.
All 4 of us are matching.
Look his face. You don't wanna match? Huh?
Huh?
And we gonna match. We're gonna have the same outfit. Okay, yeah, so guys, let's go get ready because I never be on time. But we're gonna try today because I have some people to push me here. If I go get ready, let me show y'all guys the outfit. I'm gonna show you guys my dress and the baby dress. So here's my pretty dress. But the baby dress is the cutest. Yeah, it's the baby dress. Is it the cutest dress? It's gonna be cuter when she had it on.
She loves this stuff.
She loves it? Oh, I see that.
Let go.
Okay, yeah, guys, let's go get ready, and I'm gonna show you guys with a full outfit. And yeah, let me go do my makeup. Let me go take a shower, do my makeup, and get dressed. So, guys, just finished taking a shower and bathed the baby, and now the baby just with their dad and playing with Lisa and her dad. Now it's about time for me to do my makeup. So I'm gonna use the prime first. And I'm not gonna do too much makeup. I was hoping that I'm gonna be able to go deep and just do good makeup, but we don't have enough time. And literally, we've been here. I had a lot of time to start getting ready, but I don't know. I was just playing around, and now it's already 5, and the wedding is gonna start at 6. So I don't have time to do so much makeup. I'm gonna do simple. And here's my makeup. I brought all my makeup. Really, here's my makeup bag. so I brought everything. But I guess after all, I'm not gonna be able to use everything, you know. But it's fine. We're still gonna look good, right? But of course, I'm gonna need to shave my eyebrow because really this is you have to make sure your eyebrows look good, because if this look wrong, most of your makeup, it's gonna look wrong. So I like focusing more on my eyebrow. So yeah guys, so let me just continue with this makeup and I'm gonna show you guys the final look. Okay, as you can see. Okay guys, here's my final makeup look. How did I do, guys? How did I do? Now time to dress and do my hair. Yeah, how did I do, guys? Now time to do my hair and dress up. Yeah guys, here's my final look. How do I look? And yes, of course, that's my dress. And the baby, her face is so red because she fell down, but she looked so cute, guys. She looked so cute. And here's the whole family and we're ready for the wedding. How do we look? Comment below 1 to 10. How much would you give us? 1 to 10. But we definitely ate it. Yeah, definitely looked good. And here we are at the wedding.
How you been, baby? Yeah, man.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Hey, how you guys doing?
Hi, Naya. Hi, Naya. Can I get a smile?
Good, good.
And yes, of course, you know, no picture, nothing happened. So we had to go take some family photos just for memories. And the bride and the groom was taking pictures as well. So it was like, why not? Let's just go take some pictures of us. Of course, you have to make sure that I look good. Fix my hair. Guys, take a partner who makes sure you looks good in the photos. Yeah, who cares? You know? Yeah. Usually we don't go out occasionally like this. So it was a good time for us to take some good pictures and look us. So we had to find someone who can take picture of all of us. And here this beautiful lady was willing to take pictures of all of us as a family. And look us! I love us so much. Just look us. Kiss, baby. Give me a kiss, my.
Give us a smile, baby. Smile.
Okay, now we can go inside. Okay, are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Lean back. Stop pushing me.
Okay, so guys, here we are inside in the venue. The venue looks so good. First of all, look at my baby. Look at my baby. Oh my goodness, so cute. But the wedding was very organized. Like, the food was amazing. I didn't record everything, but yeah, the venue was so good. The decoration was amazing, and the food was really, really good. So I didn't get a chance to take the videos of everything, but yeah, here's the small videos in the venue inside with our baby. And look at her, she's brightening the room. Just look at her, babe. we just got back home from the wedding. I mean, we're back at the hotel, so this is our home now. Yeah, but we're going to leave on our actual vacation tomorrow. So we're going to Louisiana. Baby, what is this? New
Orleans.
New Orleans. I cannot say that right, guys. I don't know. I be having trouble with R's and L's. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but yeah. So we're gonna drive tomorrow, and of course I'm gonna show you guys everything, and I'm so excited. And after New Orleans, we're gonna go to the beach. Okay, so I'm so excited. And